Do you want to turn on screensaver on your Samsung phone because the bright screen bothers you too much? Well, no more worry. In this video, I'll show you how to turn on and off screensaver on your phone. So let's get started. First, open up the settings, then scroll down a little bit. Now tap on the display. Scroll down to the bottom. After that, tap on screensaver. From here, you can choose any options that you want, such as color, photo table, or photo frame. I'm gonna show you the color. Choose color, and then you will see a preview option below. Then tap on it. Here you can see the preview of screensaver preview. If you want to turn it off, then simply select none from the top. So that's it, folks. I hope you find this video helpful. If you have anything to ask, let me know in the comment section below. Thanks a million for watching.